Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we are doing a case unboxing. We got a Hot Wheels D case right here, and this is a US case. So I do get US and international cases. The international cases do come out beforehand, so that's why if you've seen I already have a D case video, but this is another one. This is actually a US case, completely different. But before we get started with doing this unboxing, I do want to mention I do have a merch store. So I have a lot of car-related products, also a lot of Hot Wheels on there. And a lot of the duplicates from this case will actually be on my merch store when this video goes live. So definitely go check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. And for this whole month until the 30th, I'm actually doing a giveaway. And I'm currently giving away a Lego Nissan Skyline GTR R34 from the Fast and the Furious. And it even has a Paul Walker minifigure. There it is right there. This is a really awesome Lego set. So I'm going to be giving it away for free. All you have to do is hop onto my merch store. For every $5 you spend, you get an additional entry into this giveaway. So definitely check it out. Link in the description down below. And like I said, a lot of these Hot Wheels from this case will be on my merch store. So definitely check it out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and bust this open. I do want to point out there is some damage on this. I don't know if you can really see that right there. A lot of these cases are big cases, and I do order them, and they come in. There's a box around it, but obviously it's a big, heavy case. I'm going to carefully lay it. Actually, I want to have that on top so you can kind of deal with those cars first. Well, I'm just going to carefully lay it on its side. I don't want to really disturb too much of the cars. I know they've already been kind of beat up in transit, but I just figured I can at least keep them a little bit more safe. Let me go ahead and do this side. Alrighty. Open this up, and we'll kind of slide this a little out of the way here. And let's go ahead with right up on top. We're going to start pulling some cards out. This front corner, yeah, that first card is damaged, but at least it's not a really cool car. But so we have the 67 Camaro, the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck, and then the one that kind of took the damage on this was the Batman and Robin Batmobile. And it's actually not too bad. It's just one corner that's a little damaged. The card's a little curved, but not as bad as I thought it would be. Alright, next up we have a 73 Honda Civic Custom, a Mod Rod, and a GMC Hummer EV. Ooh, actually got a nice one. So we have the Rockin' Railer, but we have the Pagani Zonda R, which is really, really cool. I really like that color. And a GT Scorcher. Alright, we kind of got a weird shaped one here. Oh, that's why. The Street Wiener, the Baja Bison T5, and the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966. That is a really cool kind of new Hot Wheel, new for 2024. This one does have a little bit of damage. I do already have one of these on my merch store, and it is in good condition, so this damaged one will not be on there. But if you guys are interested in damaged Hot Wheels, maybe I should make like a little clearance section on my merch store, and maybe I can put some of those in there, like a discounted price. Let me know down in the comments down below if that's something you guys think you might be interested in, and I'll probably get to that. Next up we have the 07 Chevy Tahoe, the Hot Wheel 4-track, and the Mod Rod. Ooh, I love this one. The Back to the Future Time Machine in hover mode. It is the DeLorean. We have the Roadster and the West Coast Flyer. Alright, well actually, so we had the DeLorean in the last pull. And this time we have the DeLorean Alpha 5, which is the brand new all-electric kind of replacement for the DMC DeLorean. Then we have the Custom 68 Camaro, which looks really cool. And then the 23 Ram 1500. Alright, we have the 87 Audi Quattro, the Land Rover Series 2, and the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. We have the Rockin' Railer, the Night Dragon, and the McLaren Solus GT. Ooh, okay, we got a really nice car. So the 1955 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, the wheelie chair, and we have a Nissan Silvia GTR R33, and it is the Godzilla one. That looks absolutely amazing. I do have some of these available on my merch store, so if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. And when you make that purchase, you automatically get entered into the giveaway as well. So how awesome would it be to get a GTR and then win the Lego GTR? But this next pull, we actually got the treasure hunt. So we have the Custom 53 Chevy right here, and right behind the front tire, I don't know if you can see that little round icon there, that is the treasure hunt logo. And let me kind of tilt the car up, and you can probably see behind the car the little treasure hunt logo and the text there. So yeah, that is the treasure hunt for the D case. So I'm really hoping we can still get the Super, and the Super for this case is actually a really cool car. But we will see. I'm actually going to set that aside and going to throw these here in the stack. And let's move on to the next few cars. So we have the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a Glory Chaser, and a Night Dragon. And that's the first half of the case. Let's move this aside and start right up on top. All right. So we have the Piranha Terror, the Mustache, and another Street Wiener. And then this corner is the one that's actually damaged, so... Wow. We got the Super. So we have the Hot Ryler, Group C Fantasy, but this is the Super Treasure Hunt. The 1985 or 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, and oh my gosh, this is actually right in the corner. Let me turn this around here. This corner is damaged, and this car was literally sitting right here in the case, and that corner that it was sitting on is actually like not bad. There's a, like, I don't know, it's like, I don't know if I can even focus on that. Look at that. That corner is actually pretty good. It's just barely bent, but it's not creased. So just kind of like pinch it. It honestly looks like perfect. Let's see, the blister pack looks nice, but oh my gosh, I honestly did not expect to get this. I'm trying to show you guys the behind the car. Right there, you can see the Super Treasure Hunt logo. The Real Rider tires for sure definitely is obvious. And then you look at the the rims on it. The paint is all fancy. And there's always a little TH on it, which right there in the back, it has the little AMG and then the little TH right next to it. That right there is the Super Treasure Hunt. And I am super excited. Like, honestly, it's been a long time since I've gotten a Super, especially from a case unboxing. And especially one that looks like in great condition like this. Holy cow, I'm like freaking out right now. I'm kind of like in shock a little bit, but wow, I honestly did not expect that. I'm like, yeah, I'm still kind of freaking out. But let me know what you guys think of that Super Treasure Hunt. I think this is a really cool car. I'm so glad I did get a Super for a cool car. I'm going to carefully set that aside with the regular treasure hunt. And we still have the whole rest of this case to go. Let me go ahead and set these couple cars aside and go ahead and finish doing the case unboxing. Alright, so we have the Glory Chaser, Batman and Robin Batmobile, and a 57 Jeep FC. Ooh, we got some cool cars at this pull. We got the BMW 507, Mazda RX-7. It's actually a kind of like police livery for Japan. And the Fast and the Furious Ice Charger, which looks really, really cool. Alright, we have a 92 Honda Civic EG, 07 Chevy Tahoe, and another McLaren Solus GT. All right, we have the Group C Fantasy, 67 Chevy C10, and another Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. All right. Ooh, we got some cool cars with this one as well. I really love this case, by the way. We have the Pagani Zonda R, the Mad Mike Drift Attack, and the 23 Ram 1500. All right, we have the 87 Audi Quattro, the Surfing School Bus, and then this one, the card's actually bent, the little tab's bent over. I'm so glad the Super did not have something like that happen to it, but wow. Hot Wheel Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. There we have the West Coast Flyer, 2015 Mercedes MX-5 Miata, and another Vespa Super Sprints. Alright. I have another wheelie chair, 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck, and another DeLorean Alpha 5. Oh, this is a really cool one. We have the Roger Dodger, and it's actually themed for leap year, so February 29th. That is a really cool car. This case obviously did come in kind of late because we are now into April. We have the 73 Jeep J10, which actually has a really nice K&N livery on it. And then another Mad Mike Drift Attack. And the last three cars for this Hot Wheel D case, which one is actually stuck in there. I don't know what... Oh, there we go. Huh. Alright, well, we have the 2010 Camaro SS, the Roadster, and a Batman and Robin Batmobile. So, what an amazing case. Let me know down in the comments down below which one of these cars was your favorite. And, like, in addition to the Supercharger Hunt, because, honestly, this is, like, the best car in the whole case. I am extremely ecstatic. I'm still kind of in shock that I got this car out of a case unboxing. Like, you guys saw right here, this case is actually pretty beat up, and like I said, the worst corner, which is that corner right there, is exactly where that Super was sitting. I kind of wish they would have had it a little bit more centralized, but I'm just really fortunate that it is in great condition. A lot of these cars do have some damage, but this one is like in really good condition, and I am super happy about that. Also, with the regular treasure hunt as well. So both of those cars, what an amazing case. But definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And also, I do have a lot of other videos on the channel, a lot of case unboxings. I do like the US case as well as like the international cases. So I do get like a bit of a variety, different kind of release dates on those. And I do a lot of other case unboxings with Hot Wheel RLC, some other collector cars like the Arsham series. And I do a lot of Hot Wheel races in the form of YouTube shorts. So every single day I have Hot Wheel races go live. And those are really fun. I do like little tournaments. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all those. But if you guys did like the video, definitely go down, hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think of this. If you haven't already, subscribe button. But as always, thank you for watching.